another reason why getting your steps in counts. You know, when you exercise, when you eat, your body takes the protein, breaks it down into amino acids, and that's the building blocks of your body, and it builds muscle, repairs muscle, hypertrophy, organs, cellular structure, everything. Well, if you want to utilize that protein, those amino acids most efficiently, it appears that walking or getting your steps in goes a long way. Now, you want to avoid a concept of anabolic resistance, where your body isn't able to use the amino acids you're consuming. Well, researchers have found that walking or getting your steps in after exercise or during the day helps avoid anabolic resistance. That's really, really, really important. So a study in the Applied Journal of Physiology showed that those people who sat or were sedentary for 7.5 hours a day compared to those who got up every 30 minutes and walked for 2 minutes or did 15 body weight squats, utilized their protein and amino acids far efficiently than those who were sedentary. So it's just another reason, just another way to show that we are made to move. So get out there, move, get your 10,000 steps a day, and as always, be awesome and never unawesome. Bye.